When I set out to make this channel, all I knew was that I wanted to create and I wanted to inspire.
Hold up, place go wild when I pull up. They all on me like they want some. Think I got what you need, well I have none.
So I thought about my career in fashion, and something that I realized that took me a while to realize was how much of an effect the seasonality aspect was having on me. Just that constant need for more, that constant need for new, that constant need to feel like I needed to keep up, losing the love affair that we have with our clothes. So it actually wasn't until I left the fashion industry to become a freelance videographer that I had that newfound love affair again with my clothes, with my style, and basically that reawakening to the actual product itself. So enter review videos.
Why is it hard on my own?
These videos are intended to show myself and others that there's more to our clothes than just how it looks or if it's on trend, finding that appreciation for the product. And in result, you creating a wardrobe that you are absolutely in love with. So then I thought about my life's journey with fashion and how it's really contributed to my style confidence and how that confidence has enabled me to be fierce and free with my outfits, owning who I am instead of trying to be someone others say I should be. Enter my tutorial videos. These videos are meant to inform, inspire, and to help others gain confidence in their own personal style, to help people understand that fashion is not just about what's on the runways, what's in the magazines, but more that it is about finding pieces that inspire you to be the best version of yourself. Everything else is just there for inspiration, but really it should never be at the expense of your own personal style and own personal confidence. I just want community. I want people to feel like they can come to this channel and not feel judged. I want them to come to this channel and feel like they have a friend in me and have a friend in the other subscribers. Feeling like they can walk away from a video feeling inspired instead of inferior. One of my closest friends once said to me, "You're my ride or die girl." What does that mean? And she basically said, it basically means that I know that I have your unconditional support and you the same from me. So, will you ride with me?
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.